Send me that.
Could you send me that?
I need this now.
Please provide this promptly.
Sorry I'm late.
I apologize for being late.
I don't get it.
I don't understand this.
Can you do this?
Could you handle this task?
I'll fix it.
I will address this.
Let's chat.
Shall we discuss this?
I'm not sure.
I am uncertain.
I'll get back.
I will follow you soon.
Got it.
Understood.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
You're welcome.
I'll try.
I will make effort.
This is wrong.
This seems incorrect.
Can you help?
Could you assist me?
I think so.
I believe that is correct.
Cool.
Excellent.
I'm busy.
I am occupied.
Let me know.
Please inform me.
Sounds good.
That is acceptable.
I can't do it.
I am unable to do this.
That sucks.
That is unfortunate.
No way.
That is not possible.
Can we meet?
Could we schedule a meeting?
I'm gonna go.
I will leave now.
Give me a sec.
Please wait a moment.
I'll think.
I will consider it.
Not sure yet.
I am uncertain.
That's fine.
That is acceptable.
I'm messed up.
I made an error.
Hang on.
Please wait.
I'm tired.
I am fatigued.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Talk later.
Let's speak later.
I don't care.
I am indifferent.
That's weird.
That seems unusual.
I like it.
I find it satisfactory.
I hate it.
I strongly dislike it.
Chill out.
Please remain calm.
You rock.
Excellent work.
My bad.
I apologize for mistake.
That's great.
That is wonderful.
Awesome.
Outstanding.
I'm broke.
I have no funds.
I don't know.
I am not certain.
Let's do it.
Shall we proceed?
Wait a sec.
Kindly wait a moment.
That's enough.
That is sufficient.
Hit me up.
Please contact me.
I'm happy.
I am pleased.
I'll do it.
I will handle it.
That's cool.
That is excellent.
No worries.
That is not a problem.
I'm fine.
I am doing well.
Sounds fun.
That seems enjoyable.
Don't worry.
Please do not worry.
I got it.
I understand completely.
Let's start.
Shall we begin?
I'm busy now.
I am currently occupied.
I'll try my best.
I will do my utmost.
That's weird.
That seems unusual.
I don't like it.
I am not fond of it.
That's fine by me.
That is acceptable to me.
I'll call you.
I will contact you.
I'm sorry.
I apologize.
Catch you later.
I will speak to you later.
I can help.
I would be happy to assist.
That's wrong.
That appears incorrect.
I don't mind.
I have no objection.
Let's meet up.
Shall we arrange a meeting?
I'll handle it.
I will take care of it.
Give me that.
Could you please provide that?
I'm done.
I have completed it.
That's awesome.
That is remarkable.
No way.
That is impossible.
I'll check.
I will verify.
Wait up.
Please wait a moment.
I got you.
I understand and will help.
Hang on a sec.
Kindly wait a moment.
Let's go.
Shall we proceed?
I'm in.
I agree to participate.
That's bad.
That is unfortunate.
Chill.
Please remain calm.
I don't get it.
I do not understand this.
I'll see.
I will consider it.
Sounds good.
That seems acceptable.
My pleasure.
I'm happy to assist.
I'm starving.
I am very hungry.
I'm freezing.
I am very cold.
That's enough.
That is sufficient.
Don't do that.
Please refrain from doing that.
I'll fix it later.
I will address it later.
I'll call it later.
I will contact you later.
No idea.
I have no knowledge of that.
That's funny.
That is amusing.
I'm off.
I am leaving now.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye. Thank you.